Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. What is acceptance test-driven development? The customer, tester, and developer will meet to gather information in acceptance test-driven development. They will discuss all three roles and come up with the definition for an acceptance test. With ATDD, the customer discusses the problem, the developer tries to figure out how to solve the problem, and the tester looks for what could go wrong. ATDD is all about the user's perspective of the product and how it functions. These agile tests are often automated and written first. They will often fail at the start, followed by improvements being made around those initial results, gradually enhanced. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.